What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. Alright, so today I've got a quick little tutorial on how I learned to apply my lashes. It's something super simple, something super quick, and something that I really hope you guys will be able to learn from and do yourself, and just make this extremely easy for you guys, because it's the most irritating thing when you have a lash that just does not want to get onto your damn eyeballs. It's so irritating, but I hope that this method helps you guys out. And if you do like it, let me know by liking this video and commenting down below, and also subscribing. I'd love to have you a part of the family. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go into how I apply my lashes.
Make 'em whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up,
Alright, so today I'm going to be using a lash from House of Linda T, and it is the style Mustang. She literally does not have her carrier anymore, but I've got another extra carrier here, and it actually does play an NB role in this tutorial. So I have used it. It's not clean, I know. So the first thing you want to do obviously is apply your lash glue, right? But when you do apply your lash glue, make sure you still have your carrier case from your lashes. So what you want to do is you just want to apply your lash glue, and the way I apply my lash glue is that I take my lash, so you see how this is how you normally just put your lash on, turn it upside down, and then because it's now upside down, you're able to put your lash glue on your lash like that, and you're able to cover the band properly without being, I feel like when I do it like this, I risk putting lash glue on the actual lash. So here at least I can actually see where I'm putting my lash glue. I mean, I do put like a layer of lash glue across the entire thing, and then I do go back and just put a nice ball of lash glue on the outer corner, because the corners tend to be the ones that lift easiest. You just want to do that, and then you take your lash carrier and you place your lash the right way facing up. You want to place it like that, and when you place it like this, you make sure that nothing's touching the edges, so that nothing is stealing lash glue away from your lash, and it's able to dry. So you're going to do that again with the other lash. Take your lash, flip it upside down, allow that to get tacky. So when I say tacky, what I mean is it's dry enough to the point where it's not so wet that it's sliding off. I do not recommend that when you put your lash glue on your lashes, you go in immediately and try put that bad boy on your lid. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do in this video is that I'm gonna show you two views of how I put my lashes on. I'm gonna show you a front view, and then with the other lash, I'm going to show you from the bottom how it looks when I put my lash on. I personally do not use mascara anymore. I've done this so many times that I just don't need mascara, but as a beginner it would be advisable, especially if you've got curly lashes, to use mascara just to have them go in one direction, so that it's not super hard for you to get this lash on your eye, you know? And my rule of thumb is when you lift your lash and it kind of has a small tug to it, then it's ready. So like it's like a little bit, it's literally tacky. Like when you lift it from your eye carrier, if it kind of gives a little tug, it's ready. Perfect. So we're gonna take another mirror, something you can hold with your like hand, nothing big like this, right? But something that you can actually hold with your hand. And you're gonna take this mirror, I've got this mirror from this palette, and you're going to put it underneath your eye, like underneath your entire face actually. You're gonna put it under your face, and you're gonna look at yourself like this, and this is gonna be able to help you put the lash on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the tackiness of the glue to kind of push my lashes down. This is perfect if you've got curly lashes. You're gonna use it to kind of like push them down so they're not in your way, and then you're gonna place in the middle first. Let go. Right, so you're gonna place in the middle, you're gonna let go, and then you're gonna attach the side, let go, blink a little if you need to, and then attach the inner corner. and then just go ahead and do what you need to do if it's not attached nicely the first time, and push upwards. Don't try to do this all in one swipe. And I also do recommend that you don't use tweezers. I don't find these helpful at all. It's actually better if you use your actual hand, because you'll be able to push all the way in, and this is how you apply a lash, like that. And you want to make sure that the corners are nicely secured. Looking at it down here will tell you whether or not something is attached properly. And then again, oh, let me show you the other view. Hi, I know this is a weird angle, but I really need you guys to see what I'm doing. So so remember, my mirror, you guys are kind of my mirror now. This is the weirdest angle I've ever been on YouTube, but anyway, I just need you guys to see what I'm doing. So my mirror is literally right next to you guys, right here, and I want you to see what I'm doing. So I'm looking down, pushing. When you have your mirror down here, you're actually able to see what you're doing properly. So then I'm gonna place this lash in the middle, let go. See, now you're able to see whether or not it's attached from this angle. So then you're gonna push it, let go, blink a little, it's fine. You don't have to do it all in one go. Attach. As you can see, now you know where it's not attached, right? Push again, let go, blink a little, push. Now you're able to tell if this thing is attached or not. And right now it's attached. See? From this angle, you're actually able to see what you're doing. So there you have it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed that. If you did, then let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if it was helpful, and also let me know just by liking and subscribing, you know. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Khay Republik absolutely everywhere. And yeah, guys, until our next upload, I will see you guys. I literally enjoyed this video. It was so much fun. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy my method, you know, like it's just my little method or whatever. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next upload. Bye, guys.